Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this couscous salad that I've served with some chicken wings. This dish can be served as a main dish or a side dish. I used 1 cup of couscous and 1 cup of chicken stock. Then I added some garlic and herb for seasoning. Then I cover for 5 minutes and set aside to cool down. After that, I toasted some chickpeas because I was going to eat this for dinner. So I needed to be full for longer. I used cumin for seasoning, toasted for 1 or 2 minutes. Then I set aside for it to cool down because this is a salad. Then for the salad, I'm using some, as I said, chickpeas, some red onion, cucumber, tomato. I also boiled some sweet corn, but I forgot to put it. The reason I'm mentioning this is you don't really need to use the ingredients or the things that I'm using for this salad. You can use what you have in your fridge or your cupboard. You don't really have to use what I'm using. And then I'm just mixing this together. And for example, if you don't like chickpeas, I know some people don't like chickpeas, don't put them in. Use what you have. And then you're gonna go to the most important part of this dish, or the salad dressing. I used plain yogurt, the small tub, and then I used 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese, some lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, honey for seasoning, rosemary and olive seasoning. Then I also use some Italian herbs. You can always use any herbs that you have in your cupboard. Then you're just gonna mix that together, shake. I bought this jar at Checkers. I think Pep Homes also has it. And then go. You need just to make sure you taste as you go and get the consistency that you like. I like my dressings a little bit thick. Taste, add lemon juice, add honey, add black pepper, and then just to balance the acidity. And then you're just gonna add that to your couscous. If you don't like creamy dressing, you can always use lemon juice, honey, herbs, mix that together. If you don't have honey, you can always use syrup. Then taste. I hope you try this recipe. Please subscribe and comment, share. Enjoy.